There are intricacies in labels that we didn't understand before when we started the business. We are dairy farmers, ice cream makers, and milk producers. So those are the things that we understand. We picked the essentially the highest end label that we thought we needed for, frozen goods or refrigerator good options. Partnering with Joe was great because he actually had that conversation with us about you guys are spending quite a bit on a very high end label, and it's probably not necessary. Working with a local label supplier has allowed us to get cost competitive, high quality labels in a lead time that was not possible working with basically an unknown entity. So, the partnership that we've built with Joe in passing all of our label manufacturing to him has really helped us stabilize that portion of our business. It's given us a situation where it's one less thing we have to worry about. And that's always nice that we can hand one of those things off, especially something that we're not an expert in. So, yeah, I would definitely recommend anyone that needs this type of service to check out Maverick Label and Joe because it's been fantastic working with them.